Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Frigidaire brand dryer and it's giving you an E68 error code on the display, or if you don't have a digital display, it will indicate it via blinking lights. And you're wondering, what is this issue? What's going on here? So the E68 error is that the dryer is detecting that one of the buttons on the control panel is stuck in the push down position. So what you want to do to get rid of this is, first of all, check all your buttons and wiggle them back and forth. You might even need to take like a slightly damp cloth and clean them off if you got anything sticky on there that's preventing them from popping back up once you push them down. So just wiggle all the keys, wiggle all the buttons, and try to get them all loose. And then you can go ahead and turn your dryer off and back on, and that should clear it out. If it doesn't clear it out, it's because there's something broken on the control board itself, not the control board, the control panel itself. And you will need to replace the actual control panel. And I'll put a link down in the description if you need to go in that direction in terms of how to replace the control panel.